everyone, welcome to chapter 5, your continuity and differentiability. Today we are going to discuss differentiation of parametric form. Let us understand what the meaning is of parametric form. आपके जब x और y किसी third variable में होंगे, then you should understand that they are in the parametric form, and from there how to find out dy by dx, that we will see in these two questions. You can see here in question number 1, your x is in the terms of theta and your y is again in the terms of theta. So first of all you will find out dx upon d theta, dy by d theta, and from there you will get dy by dx. In the same way for question number 2, you can see that your x is in the parameter t and your y is also in the parameter t. जब ये थर्ड वेरिएबल में होंगे तभी आपके पैरामीट्रिक फॉर्म में होंगे. यहाँ पे भी हमें dy by dx निकालना है. कंडीशन इज गिवन where a is equal to greater than 0 and a is not equal to 1 and t is not equal to 0. Let us see how we can work out. First of all, you can see here x is given t plus 1 upon t to the power a and y is given a to the power t plus 1 upon t. Your format for this, your dy by dx will be dy upon dt and here it will be dx upon dt. So let us work out first of all dy by dt. So your dy by dt, that means when you differentiate y with respect to t, you get, you know the differentiation of a to the power x is a to the power x log a. You can see here, so this will become a t plus 1 upon t log a, and you will again, this is your x, so we have to differentiate this with respect to t. This will become 1 minus 1 upon t square. Differentiation of t with respect to t is 1 and 1 upon t, by division rule it will become minus 1 upon t square. Now let us find out dx upon dt. So this will be, as it is a to the power n, so you know what it will be, you know the differentiation of x to the power n, that is n x n minus 1. So this will take the form a t plus 1 upon t a minus 1, because here it is given it's greater than 0, and once again this x, that is 1 minus 1 upon t square. आपने dy by dt निकाल लिया, dx upon dt निकाल लिया. Now just see your dy upon dx जो आपका होगा वो होगा dy upon dt divided by dx upon dt. So you can see here this will be a t plus 1 upon t log a upon a t 1 upon t a minus 1. ध्यान दीजिए आपके नोमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में दोनों में 1 minus 1 upon t square है, तो ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा. Now you can see that this term, this term that is a t plus 1 upon t can be replaced by y, and this becomes y log a, और यहाँ से जो आपका t plus 1 upon t to the power a minus 1 है, तो जब आप उसको अपॉन में ले आओगे तो ये आपका t plus 1 upon t एक आपका नोमरेटर में शिफ्ट हो जाएगा और आपके डिनोमिनेटर में क्या हो जाएगा, a t plus 1 upon t to the power a. देखिए टू द पावर ए हम लोगों ने इसलिए किया, फिर बाद में हम इसको किससे रिप्लेस कर देंगे, x से, बिकॉज व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ x, t plus 1 upon t to the power a. Now just see, your question takes the form, ये आपका हो जाएगा dy upon dx is equal to, this is y log a, this is here t plus 1 upon t the whole raised to a इसकी पूरे की जगह पे हम लोगों ने क्या सब्स्टिट्यूट किया है, x. So this takes a form ax. Now we can more simplify it. You can see here this question, that is y a t plus 1 upon t, which can be written as log y is equal to t plus 1 upon t log a. और यहाँ से t plus 1 upon t की वैल्यू आपकी आ जाएगी log y upon log a. So this can be further simplified, y log a upon ax, t plus 1 upon t की वैल्यू that is log y upon log a. Here this will be cancelled and you are here with y log y upon ax. So this is how the parametric equations differentiation is done. Now moving on to the question number 1. It's given here x is equal to sine square theta. So your dx upon d theta will be 2 sine theta. And what is the differentiation of sine theta? That is cos theta. Right? Similarly, dy upon d theta will be sec square theta. Now you are supposed to find out dy by dx, which will be equal to dy by d theta upon dx d theta. Now you can see here dy by d theta is your sec square theta upon 2 sine theta cos theta. Now this will take the form 1 upon 2 sine theta cos cube theta. Now this is your dy by dx. But you are supposed to find out dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 4. Now this is theta is equal to pi by 4. So we will keep the value 1 upon 2. You know sine 45 is 1 by under root 2. So it is 1 by under root 2. Again 1 upon under root 2 into 1 upon under root 2 into 1 upon under root 2. So you can see that under root 2 into under root 2, this 2 gets cancelled and root 2 into root 2 is 2. So our final answer for this parametric form on differentiating is 2. Thank you.